In today's video, I'll show you how to add related products in Pagefly to improve your customer experience and increase sales. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account, making sure you're accessing the correct store. Once logged in, open the Pagefly app from your Shopify apps and select the page you want to edit. Open it in the Pagefly editor. Inside the editor, look to the left side menu and click on the Elements panel. From there, switch to the Shopify tab where you'll find Shopify specific elements. Locate the product list element and drag it onto the section of the page where you want the related products to appear. After placing the element, click on it to open the settings panel on the right side. In the settings panel, go to the General tab, find the product source option and select related products. This automatically displays products related to the item your customer is currently viewing. Once everything looks good, save and publish your page. That's it. You've successfully added related products to your Pagefly page, helping guide customers to more items they may be interested in. Thanks for watching and happy selling.